Hi guys, welcome to my video. In today's video, I want to go over what I got in my summer 2019 Causebox. So Causebox is a seasonal subscription box. It is very familiar looking if you have seen a lot of Fabfitfun boxes. Maybe they just really look up to Fabfitfun, I don't know. But they are a seasonal subscription box. You get them quarterly. And you can pay annually so that you can make selections. But the selections are a little bit different. It's more like selecting the color of the item or something like that. You usually don't select across different brands. It's about the same price as Fabfitfun. It's about the same retail value promise as Fabfitfun. So everything else is pretty similar. They have their own little magazine inside and all of that. And kind of just like steal the ideas. But those are the types of companies I normally don't support, but I still support Causebox. And the reason is because they are supporting women-run businesses, women entrepreneurs, artisans in other countries, sustainable products that are environmentally friendly or that give to environmental causes. So pretty much the whole box, including some of the money they make off the box, go to a good cause. And that's why they call it Causebox. And that's something that's really important to me with any company. I really appreciate when companies are being socially responsible. Fabfitfun also does donate proceeds to different causes as well. So it's not that the other box doesn't, but Causebox, basically every single item, as you'll see when we go through it, is to support one of those things. So like I said, it comes with its own little mini thing. The good thing about this though is it gives you a little bit of information about each product and how it's supporting a cause for Causebox. Like, why did they select it to be put in Causebox? So you kind of get like some really good stories about these companies and these entrepreneurs that are out there trying to make a difference. The first item we have here, it looks like a tote bag. It says Altru, made for good. And I will probably butcher names because I will say some of these companies are a lot harder to name than the Fabfitfun companies because they're less well known. So maybe this is another handle. It is a decoration. I try to not get spoilers on this one, and because their customizations are basically just choosing different colored items, I don't customize at all on this box. So this is pretty cute. All True, made for good. I'm gonna read it off here. It says, All True, a gorgeous straw tote that screams summer. Designed exclusively for this box, and proceeds from this product support ocean conservation. The next item I see here says Hannah Lay Island Aloe Gel. And I'm going to Hawaii next week, so that's just perfect timing. It says Hannah Lay, a choice of 2 skincare products inspired by natural ingredients found in Hawaii. Both products are great for summer skin and contain some of our favorite botanicals. We have these cute scrunchies. I have just gotten the scrunchie game now. I'm pretty late. And it says Banded. So this one is Banded Together, a set of scrunchies just in time for an activity-filled summer. For every product that Banded sells, 3 meals are donated to children in need. So again, that's another cause that this product contributes to some cause for feeding children around the world. So this is from the company Reduce Every Day. It's an insulated drink tumbler from a brand dedicated to replacing every disposable product with an improved, durable, and reusable alternative. So that's really cool. It says Reduce on the side too. This is like a pouch, maybe like a makeup pouch. It's kind of big for like travel. This is kind of big for travel. It says Green Label Quagga. Okay, so Quagga Green. This is a wet bikini pouch made from 100% recycled fabric. Custom for Causebox artwork designed by a French artist, Melanie Johnson. So they do also support female artists, and so this design was made by a female artist in France, and then it's also made of 100% recycled fabrics. So that's really awesome. This is just like 100% recycled. And next we have All Good Sport Sunscreen. It says reef friendly. All Good high performance sunscreen without common ingredients that damage and bleach the coral reefs that pollinate our oceans. Organic ingredients, plant friendly, and great for your skin. So that's really cool. Again, this is something like a company that is keeping their environmental impact in mind when they're creating products like this. And this looks like a picnic mat or beach towel. Actually, it's like it's like a poncho for a beach cover-up, like a bikini cover-up. So this is Tribe Alive, an endlessly versatile caftan that can be worn from beach to brunch. It's inspired by the Causebox community and handcrafted by artisans in India. So that's another thing they do, is they support companies and artisans around the world. And it always comes with a postcard, also by an artist. So this says Causebox, and it says an exclusive 5x7 art print, which doubles as a postcard from Australian artist and summerbox designer Causebox. I hope I'm saying her name right. It's like not that easy. But yeah, there's this cute little beach scene. It's a postcard, or you could just use it for any reason, really. So that's basically the entire box. I don't have the prices on these because that's one thing, they don't list the prices the way that Fabfitfun does, but it's guaranteed to be over $200. I think it's so important to be mindful about the products that we have in our homes, and I really love that Causebox is doing that, just like with every single thing in their box, basically. You know, really caring about our world as a whole, our environment, our oceans, Mother Nature, all of that, and supporting other companies that also want to do that, that have the same missions and are also contributing to charities and just providing really good quality products. I've always been happy with the products that I've received, so I just thought that I would introduce a new box. I don't see very many people posting about this box yet, and I do feel like it really is something that is a good box to get. I definitely wouldn't replace my Fabfitfun with this box. They're very different, and Fabfitfun's more like mainstream things, and they also support causes, so I'm really not trying to compare that about the two. But this one gives you a little bit more like local artisans or artisans around the world, and art and all of that, that's supporting women entrepreneurs. A lot of them tell their story in this little pamphlet, which if I could read you all the stories, I totally would, because I definitely read all of them every time I get the box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I do not have a referral link for Causebox. I don't think they do referral links, but it's just causebox.com, and you can grab one for yourself. Please let me know in the comments if you know of any other subscriptions that are also doing something similar, you know, having this sort of like charity or supporting our environment in any single way. I would be more than happy to support those, and let me know what your favorite product out of all the products was down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!